And well, hello there, everybody. And as it stands right now, I'm still working on my portable AC installation. Now, the good thing is I do have some batteries now that would actually work with it. The installation itself is taking longer than I anticipated, just because of the way I built my van. And what I would need to do is I would need to dismantle the back portion, and that's going to take a while. So instead of doing that, I thought to myself, well, we're heading into September. There's only really a few days where it's going to be really warm. Granted, last week it was really hot, so sort of like the late summer thing. So I think there's still going to be a few hot days, and I think I could still benefit from it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up so that it's freestanding. And what I mean by that is I'm not going to do an install. Instead, if I need the cool air, I will exhaust it out with maybe another, some type of hose or something. I'm not really sure. But I think it's important that I get it in here sort of to get a sense of how it's going to work. I've tried it out before and it works really well. And instead of the installation, I'm going to exhaust it out probably from the gate, the tailgate of my van, and it should be fine. The other one is exhausted out a little differently in that it's actually by the window, and that's the biggest problem for me. That's the most difficult part, is trying to get access to that window because I have so much stuff. Um, I'm going to see if I can post out a video of what it looks like, and yeah, maybe I'll post that soon. Thanks a lot.